Hi Rachel and everyone with Parents Painting, this is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to go over a couple of things we can do with your website here, get it updated, start making the internet work better for you guys. So let's get started. I've got your website up here. I like your logo right up here at the top and then your phone number right up here as well. Your picture is really nice. As we come down, it looks like we've got maybe a little bit about you guys here, and then maybe some of the different projects that you guys have worked on, some of your services here, and then down here in your footer we've got different ways for your clients to get in touch with you, your contact information. That stuff's really great. I do want to check this out. Okay, so we can't save those pictures, that's fine. When I look at your menu, and if I were to click on your services page, it's just going to take me to this one page here. It's a really great idea to have different pages for each of the services that you offer with a lot more content about those services. And this is important because what Google's really looking for is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of quality content on your home page, and then other quality content on these other pages that you guys would have. And then in addition to that content, they want buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout it. So some of those keywords can be commercial, painting, Dallas, Texas, which I searched on your page and I don't see that anywhere on here. So you guys can, you could even update this right here and do commercial painting, Dallas loves, or something like that right up here at the top, and then sprinkling in those keywords throughout. You can save any pictures too that you add to your website as buyer intent keywords prior to uploading them, because Google sends crawlers through your websites when people are searching throughout Google. And if your website has those key phrases that people are typing in, Google's going to start ranking your website higher so that you can serve those customers. Now the next thing that we're going to talk about here is backlinks. And so backlinks are just a shout out from another website, letting Google know that your website is trustworthy and relevant. But Google also needs to make sure that that backlink is trustworthy and relevant as well. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are plenty of other free tools out there. So what we're going to look at here is this UR and DR rating. Your UR is your trust rating, your DR is your power rating with Google. Now these are influenced by your backlinks. Your backlinks just come from these referring domains. You guys have a lot of backlinks, not a super high amount of referring domains, and that's okay. The issue is just that your DR and UR are pretty low and they're not very close. We want these to be much closer together. And so that's letting us know that some of these backlinks aren't as trustworthy, aren't as powerful, or aren't as relevant to you guys as they need to be, so they're not serving a purpose for you at this time. Now I've also put in one of the top competitors in your area, this Carico painting. And as we can see there, UR and DR rating are off as well, still pretty low. They've got a lot more backlinks and more referring domains, but again, because these are so low, we know that these backlinks aren't doing very much for them. They do have a lot more keywords than you guys, so you can come into here and you can kind of look for more buyer intent keywords to add to your website to include within that content that you get added in there. And then the last thing I'll show you over here, once you guys update that content, those keywords and those backlinks, you're going to start to rank right down here in the organic section, and we want to be in that first, second, or third position. And the last thing that we'll touch on here really quick is this area right here called the local map pack or Google My Business. And so how you get ranked here is you need to have a Google business profile and you need to have it filled out all the way. So we want to have your business name, address, phone number, hours. We want to have photos on there. You want to have them geotagged properly, and you want to have them saved as those buyer intent keywords prior to uploading them. Make sure you guys are asking your clients for reviews and having those uploaded on there as well. And then the last thing is having your citation in as many directories as you can. And so a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number. And the directories include things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. So what I would do is I would find all the directories that my top competitors are listed in, and I would get myself added to those exact same ones. And then I would go above and beyond that. So if they're in 150, I'm going to get myself into 200, 250, really blow them out of the water. So just a quick recap here. We really want to up the content that's on this home page. Add some testimonials on here as well, some reviews from your guys' clients. Build your website up a little bit more, add some other pages, get those ranking as well. Make sure that we're sprinkling in those buyer intent keywords throughout that quality content, improving the backlinks that we're getting here so we can start ranking in this organic section, and then making sure that our Google business profile is optimized, and make sure that we're getting your citation out there in as many places as possible, and that's going to have you ranked #1 all across Google. All right, Rachel, that's all I've got for you. I appreciate your time. I look forward to your feedback. Thanks.